Hey, howdy everybody. This is Grant McIntosh again with the third video on just basic stuff for Java and how to run it. So we're kind of just going to jump a little ahead and we're going to show you how to do if statements. So if statements basically are saying they're evaluating something, like a statement, and if said statement is true, it will run whatever line of code. Now there's always a counterpart to if statements, because if it's something, it's going to run that. Or what if it's not that said thing? Well, it has to do something if it's not that, so it's going to be anything else. It's an else statement. So else is kind of like the opposite of if. It's just going to do whatever line of code follows that if it's not the original if statement. So we'll just do something like, I don't know, int I equals 1. So this is basically saying this integer I, or this variable I, is 1. So like it will always equal 1. So now if I follow this statement, that's the basic if statement. So you just say if parentheses, and then whatever's in that parentheses is what it's evaluating. So let's just say if I equals 1, and we're going to do the little squiggly bracket, and then whatever is within those little squiggly brackets, it's going to follow that line of code if this statement that it's evaluating is true. And since I basically hard-coded it to like forever say that I is going to equal 1, like it will always run this code. However, like in many other circumstances, it won't always be that. So we'll say else, because every if has to have an else. And sometimes you don't even have to like add anything in the else. So we don't even have to have a line of code, or we don't even have to have a statement. We could just do the brackets immediately. So in this first line, we'll just make a print line, and we'll say, the statement was true. It will print that. And if it's in the else, then we're gonna do, the statement that I made earlier was false. So now we're gonna save it. And now we go to PowerShell, we're gonna compile it, which basically, oh crap. Okay, see, I messed up there. So maybe it's equals, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I was missing an equals, so I compiled it, came back, there are no errors. And now we're just gonna do Java test 1. It did the first line of code, which wasn't in the if statement, so it's always gonna print that. It went immediately to the if statement, and it's noticed that I equals 1, and it said if I equals 1, which it always will, it will print this line. It will print true. And as you can tell, it printed true. And if it didn't, so let's just say if I equals 2, we could save it, compile it, which will basically save it, run it, and now it says hello, false. It's running the else part of the if statement. And yeah, there's nothing much to that. And that's the very basics of if statements.